Hello everyone. I am Dr. Sabita Agustin, Senior Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist at Marsliva Medcity, Pala. Today I am here to give you a brief overview on HPV vaccine and its importance. What is HPV? HPV or human papilloma virus is a virus which is transmitted by genital skin-to-skin contact. More than 100 types of HPV have been identified, of which around 15 of them cause cancer, most commonly cancer of the cervix. Now, cancer cervix is the second most common cause of cancer in women in India. Human papilloma virus also causes other cancers like cancer of the vagina, vulva, oropharynx, that is oral cavity, and pharynx, the part behind the tongue, and also penis. At this juncture, I would like to mention the golden words of Louis Pasteur. He said, "Why talk of cure when you can prevent it?" Cancer cervix is 100% preventable. Here comes the role of HPV vaccine. As you all know, a vaccine contains a part or whole of a microorganism or a modified product, which, when injected into our body, produces antibodies and hence prevents infection by that particular microorganism. According to WHO, vaccinating girls before the age of 15 with human papillomavirus vaccine helps in eliminating cervical cancer. As of now, HPV vaccination is not a part of the routine immunization schedule, but Government of India plans to introduce it as a part of National Immunization Program in a phased manner. The target group for immunization will be both boys and girls between the age of 9 and 14. Why this group? Because the immune response in this group is much more better, and immunizing before the onset of sexual activity makes the vaccine more effective. Why vaccinate boys? As I said, this vaccine not only prevents cancer of the cervix but also prevents cancer of the anus, the oropharynx, and the penis. Hence, it should also be given to adolescent boys. The schedule of the vaccine. Between the age of 9 and 14, 2 doses are given at 0 and 6 months. Between the age of 15 and 26 years, 3 doses of the vaccine at 0, 2 and 6 months are to be given. Coming to certain special situations. Pregnancy. This vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy. However, if a lady has taken the vaccine without knowing that she was pregnant, there is no indication to terminate her pregnancy. Breastfeeding mothers and post-delivery women. This vaccine is absolutely safe in this category of people. What if the vaccine schedule is interrupted? We do not have to repeat the whole course. The schedule can be completed. It is important to complete the 3 doses within 1 year. What are the vaccines licensed for use in India? There are 3 of them. Gardasil, which is a quadrivalent vaccine and protects against 4 types of HPV: 6, 11, 16 and 18. This is used only in females. The other one is Cervaravac, which is the first Indian-made HPV vaccine. This is also quadrivalent and protects against HPV 6, 11, 16 and 18. This can be used for both males and females. Gardasil 9, which is a nonavalent vaccine. That means it is protective against 9 types of HPV. This can also be used in males and females. So the take-home message is, HPV vaccination is the cornerstone to prevention and elimination of cervical cancer. Let us all spread this message among our friends and family members and play our part in the prevention and elimination of cancers caused by HPV, especially cervical cancer.